Happy Sunday, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal here with my CVS haul for this week, guys. I hope you all are enjoying your Sunday. I hung out with my husband today and we just kind of hung out, went to get something to eat, picked up some stuff that I needed to pick up, and we just had a good day. So I actually did a day in the life of Coupon and Crystal video, so you guys be on the lookout for that, okay? All right, guys, we've got to do some shout outs before we jump into this haul. Let's shout out Jennifer. Yay! Thank you, Jennifer, for signing up with my Ibotta referral code. I got $10 put in my Ibotta account, and I appreciate you lovely people so much for using my referral code. We're going to also shout out King and Erica. Yay! Thank you so very much for using my code. Crystal loves coupon money. Coupon money. So let's jump into the CVS haul. I did not get a lot of stuff, guys. And first of all, when I got in store, my machine, the red box machine, had ran out of tape. I didn't know that. I had scanned my card. It didn't print all of my CRTs, okay? Once he put the paper in, it started printing somebody else's CRTs. Then it printed mine, and I just feel like it just didn't print everything. But whatever, we're going to move on with this haul. So the first thing I decided to get was the Maybelline, because I hung on to that $5 Maybelline CRT from last week. So this week with the Maybelline, it's buy two and you get a $5 extra buck. So these were actually priced at $4.69 in my CVS for a total of $9.38. I used that $5 CRT, dropping the cost to $4.38 in the store. I paid $4.38 in the store, but I got back the $5 extra buck, which made it be a little slight moneymaker. I'll take it any way I can get it, CVS. The next thing I got, guys, was the Tresemme. Now, the Tresemme is not actually an extra buck deal, but it's a good deal because y'all know how I feel about SHOPKICK, okay? I love SHOPKICK right now. I'm on the SHOPKICK kick, okay? Now, I decided to get the two of the Tresemme. They are priced $2 for $10. There was a $5 Unilever coupon this week in this Sunday's paper. So $5 off of two. That high value Unilever coupon actually gave me $5 off in store. So I had to pay $5. But this is where it gets great for the SHOPKICK portion of it. Okay. Now, of course, I got to scan the items in store and get my few little kicks for that. Okay. But it's given 1,100 kicks back, and I just seen the alert pop on my phone, so I did get my kicks. So I got 1,100 in kicks for these, which is amazing, which is actually the equivalent of $4.40. Thanks to my lovely people that answered the question in my video, my Ibotta video, how do I calculate the kicks when they are not $2.50? And I appreciate every one of you guys that answered that question in the comments. I love my coupon tribe, okay? Which this is an amazing deal, okay? This ended up being free, okay? It ended up being free because you got to consider I'm using extra bucks and I'm getting back money with my little kicks. So that's like 60 cents, but really it still was free for me because I ended up getting kicks for scanning in store. Plus, I scanned the other stuff that was on the aisle that was giving me kicks. Axe Body Wash was giving me some kicks. I got kicks for walking in the door. And then Axe Deodorant gave me some kicks. So I'm scanning my kicks. I don't care. If I'm on the aisle, I'm taking advantage of the kicks, okay? So I made sure this time when I came in the store, I had my app open because I've been having issues with getting my walk in the door kicks at stores. So that's the reason why I wanted to make sure I got my walking in the door kicks, okay? The next thing I got, guys, was the Suave body wash. Okay, body wash, you know, it's body wash. You can't have too much body wash. The Suave body wash was priced $2.29 in my store. Now, this is not a extra buck deal either, guys, but it's still a good deal because it's $4 and 58 cents for the two. Now, in that same Unilever insert, there was actually $1 coupons. So I used 2 of those. Plus, I had a 2 off of 2 Suave Body Wash CRT, which made me only have to pay 58 cents in the store for the 2 Suave Body Wash. And I think that's a great deal. Yes. So I got that. Now, my last thing that I got, guys, was Dove body polish. Okay, these are 2 scents that I really wanted. I've never tried it before. Let me know in the comments below if you all have ever tried. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, the body polish before. That is the mango, and this one is the lavender and coconut. Ooh, let's get it open. They had the jars all laying on their sides. The purpose for that, I have no idea. I don't know who laid all the jars on the sides, but whatever. Okay, so these were actually priced $8.29 each for $16.58. Now, the reason why I got this is because I had some great CRTs for this, which were, and I want to read them out for you, even though I did take a picture. I'm going to show you guys the actual CRTs that I used for this. I had a 3, and you know, one of these I think was from last week. One of these body wash, Dove body wash. 3 off of 2 Select Dove. 3 off of Dove body wash. And a 2 off of 8 Dove body wash. Okay. Now, so that was $8 in coupons. Plus, there were 2 $1 body polish, Dove body polish coupons that were also in that Unilever insert. Okay. Now, this is the thing. When she rang my stuff up, those coupons beeped. And I believe why those coupons beeped is because those CRTs had the MF on them, the manufacturer little symbol on them. So I think that's what it was. I was kind of in my feelings about it because I was expecting to pay $6.58 after the $8 in CRTs and the 2 $1 coupons. I would have paid $6.58, but instead it was $8.58 because those 2 coupons did not go through, and I still wanted my body polish. I was like, oh, my body polish. So I was like a little kid. I'm sorry, I can't make it go through. Do you want to use your $10 care pass? I was like, no. It's like my grandbaby Charity. When she don't want to do something, she'd be like, no. So I was like, I don't care. I'm just going to do it. I wanted my body polish, okay? So I went on and did it. So that actually changed my in total, guys. That changed my in total. I was actually expecting it to be $4.14 because I rolled $13 in extra bucks. I wanted to keep my $10 care pass. I didn't want to use that because I want to do some later couponing in the week. All right. So what ended up, my total for everything was $18.54. $4.38 for the Maybelline, $5 for the Tresemme, 58 cents for the Suave, and $8.58 for the Dove body polish. $18.54. I used the $13 in extra care bucks, dropping the cost to $5.54. Then I just refused. I didn't want to pay any more money out of pocket, so I ended up redeeming a CVS gift card through Fetch, which I'd never done that before. She had me to type the card number in on the keypad. Is that normal? I don't see why she didn't just scan it, but okay. Let me know in the comments below. Is that normal that you have to type the card number for the card that's, the Fetch reward card for CVS? Is that normal to have to type the number in, or can't she just scan it on my phone? Okay, let me know. Because again, I've never redeemed a gift card off of my phone in CVS before. That took off $5, dropping my cost to 54 cents. Now this is the darn trip right here. This goes back to our coupon budget, guys. $2.40 in tax, which made my cost be $2.94. So I had to actually give out of my pocket cash $2.94. So the first day of November, what will go on the coupon budget book will be $2.94 freaking cents. Ridiculous. $2.40 for tax. Wow. It is what it is, guys. But that's pretty good to get 2 things of hair care. I got my body wash, plus I got my body polish. A little bit is going to go towards beauty. You know, I'm okay with that. And on tomorrow, after Crystle gets home from work and settles down, we will go on live and go over our coupon budget for October, guys. We did not do September. Savvy said we did not do September, and we didn't. Heck, I couldn't remember. I'm so sorry, guys, but we didn't do September, but we are going to do October, okay? Now, unless y'all want to go back and tell what you did, well, we can still talk about September. It's okay. We can talk about September and we can talk about October. Hopefully you still have those numbers and we can do a comparison to see how we did. I honestly don't feel like I spent as much in the month of October. I'm not quite sure. Y'all know I was doing more Ibotta than I was doing anything else. And I'm still loving Ibotta. I actually did a little Ibotta last night. It was only 6 rebates, so it was no need of showing you guys, but, you know, it is what it is. Now, I did get some more CRTs after she checked me out. I got a 3 off of Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Nail, 40% off of the Wet n Wild Cosmetics. I might use that because Wet n Wild is spend 10, get 5. 5 off of 25 of the Pain Relief and Sleep Aid. I wanted to do the Thermacare, but I don't think that's going to be a good enough. That's not going to work because the Thermacare is buy 2 and it's like $7.99. So that's not going to work for me. 4 off of 12 CVS Health brand Baby Care. I never use that. 3 off of 2 select Old Spice or Gillette Invisible Spray deodorants. 4 off of 12 any Poise liner or pad. 5 off of 25 worth of candy, beverage, and food. That might be a good coupon. 2 off of the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I like that. 5 off of L'Oreal Paris Moisturizers. 2 off of 7 Pantene Aussie or Herbal Essence. Now, I may use that only because I have I don't know. I'm going to have to see. Because I had a 4 off of 20 hair care CRT. Plus, I wanted to do, I was just going to do the Pantene because I wanted to, you know, use the 4 off of 20 with the Tresemme and combine it with something else. But I was like, shoot, I need to get some extra bucks. I don't want to spend too much out of pocket just to use a CRT. That's what I'm talking about. Can't be just doing deals just to be able to use a CRT. It's got to be a good deal. Every CRT coupon combination is not a good deal. Okay? Yes. But that is it, guys. That's all I did. Very small haul. But of course, get what you need. Get what's going to be a good deal, or what's the point of doing the deal? It ain't going to be no good deal. Why are we doing it? So that's it, guys. Oh, hold on. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Let me know in the comments below the video, guys, what deals y'all did at CVS. Because Coupon and Crystle needs to know. Because I didn't get crap today. I can't hardly nothing. I feel like they punishing me. Because I didn't really do no deal last week. You know, are they punishing me? They need to give me some good CRTs. This is some bull. Bye, guys.